So this is the complete synopsis of our classes for last 2.5 to 3 weeks. Yes, hope you remember everyone. Initially we started with database types, right? What is database? Types of databases we learned. Then SQL Server, what it is, why it is, editions, versions, installation. Yes, hope you remember them, please. Yep, I'll wait.
Yes.
These
Yes,
items.
I.
Yes.
Yes, then
Yes, I.
two
Yes,
types of
yes, sir.
instances. What are they? You remember, please, everyone. Two types of instances. Default instance, named instance, right? Isn't it? Default and named. Two types of instances that we learned in the previous classes. We got the port 1433 default port, instance activities, authentications. What is file stream? Do you remember, please, by any chance? What is file stream? Yes, friends, what is file stream? Observe carefully. I'll wait.
Isn't that like a drive where we pull data or something, like a file folder?
Okay. Let's ask our installation notes, okay? She has the
Used to
answer.
store big datas.
Exactly. Yes. Let me show you the installation. Any such question? Our installation knows she has all the answer. Our notes. Okay. Let me go down and you'll see something called file stream. Server property to
Yes.
store big data and perform analytics from your installation notes. The same installation as some videos, common errors, solutions and all, please go through it. This notes was sent to you starting of our course. Then we learnt about how to identify the versions, editions. We learnt about various system databases, master model MSDB auto-managed, TempDB, we used it for temporary data storage activities. Then we learnt about various SQL operations, operators, in, not in, between, not between, like, not like, right? Is null, is not null, and top opposite. Top opposite, please. Top opposite.
Limits or distinct?
Oh, no. This is not
No.
what we call wiki SQL,
Or and
or it's
between,
not.
not between.
What is that
Yeah.
website? I forgot, friends, really. W3 schools. No. In W3 skills, yes, you may see something called limit. That's fine. That is ANSI SQL. But we are into Microsoft SQL. Here we have something called offset. You remember, please? Offset.
Yeah.
Yes.
Friends, please, let's be very
Bottom
clear in
to
what we
cut.
learn, okay? Uh,
Yes.
limit is something which is into a different platform, not into Microsoft SQL. Okay? I mean, whatever SQL we learn, make sure we are learning it carefully, cautiously, to the point. Limit is not in in not a part of top activity, okay? That's entirely a different concept. MySQL and Sybase, IBM DB2, they have the limit keyword actually. Here we have something called offset keyword that we practiced. You remember, everyone? Top to, offset to.
Yes, to cut.
To cut.
Yes.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, I mean, please be very cautious while giving your interview answers also. Okay. Please be very cautious. Understand the question. Are they asking from Microsoft SQL context or Oracle SQL context or a different one? Because for example, Microsoft SQL instance means server. In Oracle, instance means database. In Microsoft SQL, into keyword is optional. You remember, everyone, please? Into is optional, semicolon optional. Remember that, please?
Yeah.
We practice them, right?
Yes.
Yes, even identity syntax is different here. Adding primary key to existing table is different. So we are into Microsoft SQL, okay? So please be extra cautious. Not all SQLs are same. Please understand, not all SQLs are same. No, not at all. No. If they are really same, why Oracle and Microsoft are competing like anything now? Right? They are have nice competition because their products are different. Purpose is same, storage, but the products are entirely different. We learned how to create databases, how to create tables, insert data, care and where care.
Yes.
From Microsoft SQL perspective, we learned these differences. Then we learned about processor memory resources. We learned about various operators, table migrations, schemas and table. Here again, we understood how to create schemas, right? That is only for Microsoft SQL, remember. If I write a command called create schema name in Oracle, it gives you nice error. MySQL, nice error. Snowflake, happily it will take. SQL to SQL, there will be difference. A Microsoft SQL command may or may not work in Oracle or Sybase or Snowflake, remember. For example, creating schemas or working with temp tables, global, local, temporary tables. These are a bit different here in Microsoft. More easy, more user friendly. Hope you remember, please, how to migrate, alter schema name, transfer. Please, you remember that, everyone? Transfer.
Yes, sir.
Others, what happened? Forgot?
Yes, I.
Yes,
Yes, I.
sir.
Yeah, please, let's not forget it. This one, schemas notes, okay? I'll show you quickly once again. Show you quickly, chapter 5, we learned it. This one, where it is? Just wait, just wait. Yeah, this one. We learned about bank database, insurance schema, account schema. This one, alter schema name, transfer. We are into Microsoft world, okay? Remember that. Then we learnt about the concept of null, not null, unique primary key, foreign key check constraints, seed and increments, verifying the keys, auto creation of indexes because of constraints, because of indexes. Basics we learnt, joins, 2 tables, 3 table, 4 table joins, group by with joins, distincts, distinct versus group by, having. Come on, when to use where, when to use having, please. You remember, everyone, please.
When we're aggregating.
Exactly.
And
Conditions on
non-aggregate columns.
aggregation, having. Conditions on non-aggregate, group by, isn't it? Please, you remember, everyone? I'll wait.
Yes.
Joining 2 tables, 3 tables, 4
Yes.
tables, and
Yes, sir.
final query execution order. Come on, what is the final execution order we have? Please.
From
Select.
select.
From jo
No,
join,
from select.
where,
For having, sir.
Final
group by
execution order, sister.
having.
From,
Select column list from the table 1. Is that?
yeah, from, then what next? Apart from what else we have?
We have to use join type.
Join.
From joins,
Join
Yeah,
type.
group by
And we have
then join,
on
then where
condition.
order and
condition, right?
Joining
having.
Where
tables.
group by, having,
Join.
order by, select.
Group. Yeah. Group
Yes.
by having.
Until here, it is enough for participants going for programming, data engineering, Power BI, Snowflake, Python. Until where? Until the bold items are there, right? Until here. Query execution order. Please be thorough until here. Enough. Trust me, enough. As per our curriculum. And bonus. Good to have understanding of views. For example, yesterday we learned how to identify duplicate rows, how to remove duplicate rows. At that time, we took the help of views, right? Views with row number functions, isn't it? Yesterday. Remember, please?
Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
The other day, we learned about views for row level security. We learned basics of stored procedures to understand parameters. So same parameters, or simply say similar parameters, we need to work in Power BI, Snowflake, data engineer programming, and Python also. In Python, we call them widgets. So to understand what is parameter, we are taking the yellow box here. Parameters are end user prompts. Next. Okay, we are at the basics, yellow box. We learned about the basics of triggers. Very basics of triggers. We got a couple of examples. One example, in addition to. Another example, in place of. Locking a table,
Place of.
making a table read only. You remember, please, everyone? Two examples we learned in order. Like one is duplicating the data. Other one, making a table read only. Please, hope you remember that, everyone. I'll wait. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, then we learnt about.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, we learnt about
Yes,
the
sir.
concept of merge activities, right? Comparing two tables, upsert activities, if and only if. If and
Yes.
only if we'll take only one condition. To have more than one condition, we make use of case statement. Yesterday's class.
And
Earlier classes, we learnt about normal forms, self joins, right? And recently we learnt about window functions, date time, string functions, rank functions, etc. Let's understand the leftover part, transactions query blocking. I request you once again, until joins and group by chapters 1 to 8 in our course curriculum, chapters 1 to 8, please be thorough. Until 8th chapter, group by with joins. You got one case study with our online server, right? Isn't it? Hope you remember,
yes.
please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you got it already.
12 point.
Yes,
The healthcare one.
you got one case study with our online server. Please try to work on the case study. Give a try. I am there to give the solution. Give a try. Because I want you to get ready. You may be a data engineer, ETL developer, or you may be a data warehouse engineer, or a programmer, or data analyst, business analyst, anyone, everyone. Yes, it's all about basic, strong, fundamental activities on SQL. Need your support so that we can enjoy the next item easily. And let's understand the pending activity of our yellow box, transactions, query blockings and log hints. Very important concept. Tell me, can we have a friendly mock test tomorrow on all the yellow box items? The mandatory yellow box items until group by chapters 1 to 8, please. Can we tomorrow a friendly mock test? A small use case scenario based mock test practically. What do you say? Please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Please,
Yes, sir. Yes, please.
Yes, I. Syntax also, sir.
we'll do chapters 1 to 8. Okay, please, let's do it carefully. Vikram, what do you say, brother? Can we have it tomorrow? Vikram, yes, couldn't hear you earlier. Yes, Vikram, Olu.
Yes, sir.
Sure, we'll do. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sure, brother, sure, thank you. We'll do it carefully. Practice until chapters 1 to 8 thoroughly. Next, let's continue understanding the leftover item of our yellow box. Hope you have the course curriculum with you. If not, do let me know the updated curriculum. I'll be sending it once again. We are still in the yellow box here. Our courses catalog. We are at the basics. Let's understand what is transactions, what is transaction, why we need to work with it, and how we need to work with it. I also said something called query blocking, an interesting concept, very, very important as well. Let's understand slowly what it is, why it is.